I know my eyebrows look stubborn, okay? Oh no. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi guys, this is my channel Braun, and thank you so much for watching this video. So today's video, I thought I'll do something different, guys. It's a challenge video. It's called as Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. I think Nikkie Tutorials was the one who first introduced this channel, and oh my god, it's fun. So basically how this challenge works is you just go type in your initials of your first and last name, and then you paste look, and then whatever image comes first, you have to do your makeup look inspired by that image, if it's make any sense. So basically what I typed in Google was PK and then look. I also asked on Instagram if I should use my real name, which is Pooja Khandawali, or should I use Braun B, which is something I use on my YouTube and my Instagram. And most of you did say PK. That's my original name, Pooja Khandawali. So I did PK and look, and you guys knew what was coming, didn't you? You guys knew. Yeah guys, this is what basically came up. So if you don't already know, PK is a movie, and it was an American's movie, and so when I typed PK look, this is what came up, because obviously it was a blockbuster hit, and anyway if you type PK, this is what shows up. So yeah, this is what came up. As I can see in the photo, there's mostly yellow, and there's brown, and there's that black briefcase that he's carrying. I think it's black. I cannot really make out the color of his jeans. The flyers also look yellow. So yeah, that's what came up. I also have different options actually when I did type PK look. So this is what came up. This is the actual image that came up. So there's some yellow in the next image, and then there's some white in the third one. So I think I can use any of these looks, but I think I'm going to stick with the first one with the yellow helmet and all that. Some white beads that he has on his neck, so I think I can incorporate that as my highlighter, and then the black briefcase and the dark colors as my eyeliner, mascara and all that. And in my eyeshadow, I think I can use the yellow as well as the brown. I don't know if I think I see slightly red tones also in the photo, but as I said, we will see. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get into the video, guys. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what you thought of this video, and let me know what pops up when you type the initials of your first and last name on Google, and it will be fun. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. Guys, I'm gonna basically start off by priming my face, and I'm using my Milani Prime Light Primer. This is my favorite primer. Also guys, I do realize that it's been like a really long time since I've sat down and filmed, because my face, I don't know what happened. There was so many breakouts. I mean, my face is still healing. I mean, there's no bump here, but there's that huge acne scar right there. But yeah, I don't know what happened. My face went crazy. It went crazy on me. So yeah, I couldn't film. I thought it's best to take a break, give my skin a break. I mean, I knew that mostly it was because of my anxiety that my face was reacting in such a way. But yeah, it's nice that I took a break and all that. So yeah, I've applied the primer. Next I'm going to move on to the foundation. For the foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation in the shade Toffee, as well as the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in the shade F10. Foundation all over my face, guys. I'm going to grab my Mikasa Technique brush. So this is what the brush looks like. I love this brush to apply this foundation. It gives me such full coverage. Also, I have a discount code if you would like to save some money. I'll link it somewhere in the video. Look at that. It gives me such full coverage, guys. How can anybody be mad at this? Tell me. I love this picture. Bam, it's done. My existence is covered now. For the concealer, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution concealer, guys. This is the Conceal and Define concealer, and I'm in the shade C10. This is my favorite concealer. The best concealer, best drugstore concealer in the market as of now. Next, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in Banana, and I'm basically going to apply this everywhere, and I'm using my Mikasa sponge, this sponge right here, to apply it all over my face. Guys, I've put on some powder under my eyes like I always do, and I've also done my eyebrows, and I used my Nikak eyebrow pencil, guys, in the shade black, my favorite eyebrow pencil, and very cheap. So yeah, I like that. So yeah, now we are going to move on to the actual look, and I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Pro Regeneration Trends Mischief eyeshadow palette. I did do a first. I cannot speak today. So I also I did a first impressions using this eyeshadow palette. Oh, it was amazing. I loved each and every eyeshadow that I used in that video. So yeah, I'm going to go back into this shade because that image did have a yellow shade, and this has a gorgeous yellow eyeshadow in it, and it has some a brown shade as well, which is upper hand. So I think I can use this eyeshadow palette for today's look. So yeah, it's my eyelids. So I applied concealer on my eyelids as my primer, which I always do, and I'm going into the shade Attached, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to use this shade to set my eyelids. I love this eyeshadow palette, guys. I really do. I was actually planning to do a get ready with me video because it's been a long time, and I thought I will give you my life update as well. But then I saw this Nikkie Tutorials video, and I was like, wow, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, next video I'll try to film a get ready with me video. And I think it's too late actually to film a April favorites video. I thought I will never miss favorites video, but I think, is it too late to film a April's favorites video? Please let me know in the comment section down below. So next I'm going to take the shade Upper Hand, which is a slightly a dark brown shade, and I'm going to use that shade as my transition shade. So I'm using the same brush that I used to set my eyelids, guys, and I'm just coating my brush with that shade, and I'm gonna use that as my transition. I do realize that my eyebrows look really bad. Okay, I'm not an idiot. I do realize that they look very bad. Okay. Going to try and ignore that. So just very lightly I'm putting this eyeshadow all over my crease. I feel that eyeshadows look so different on each eye. Like always, the eyeshadow on one eye blends so much easier than the other eye. What is that sorcery? What is that sorcery? So yeah, guys, next we are going to move on to that yellow shade, that shade which is called as New Day. So I'm gonna apply this shade all over my eyelids, and I'm just picking that up on my flat brush. That shade is very pigmented. Oh my god, I think I picked up too much. Ugh. Okay, so I'm just gonna very slightly start to pack that shade all over my eyelid. So whichever shade I apply on my eyelids, guys, I rarely do dragging motions. I always use patting motions. So yeah, man, that shade is like too bright. Okay. Take a different brush, guys. This is from Morphe, and this is what the brush looks like. I'm picking up the new shade once again, and I'm going to try to blend in this shade slightly into my crease using this. So yeah, just picking up my Morphe blending brush, guys, and I'm going to start blending those 2 shades out. I mean, literally we have just 2 shades on our eyelid and I'm not mad at it, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna slightly blend those 2 shades out. They're so easy to blend, guys, these shades. So yeah guys, this is what the eye look looks like. I did use just 2 shades, the Nude Day shade and the upper hand shade, only the transition and my eyelid shade, and this is what it looks like. It looks so different. I think once we finish off with the whole look, maybe then it will look slightly different, but right now when I'm seeing it, it's like what is that? but yeah, so I've pretty much laid those 2 shades on my eyelid and I blended them out. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line, and then I'll apply some liner. I think I'm gonna do a winged liner, and then I think this look will really come together. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So for that, I'm gonna take a very tiny brush like this, and I am going to pick up that shade Nude Day, and I'm gonna put it all over my lower lash line. I mean, not all over, but very close to my lower lash line. Transition shade that we used in today's look, and I'm taking that on my Mikasa E310 brush, E310, right? Yeah, E310 brush, and I'm gonna blend that onto my lower lash line as well. Done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go quickly off of camera and I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm going to do a winged liner. I'm going to apply some mascara and I am going to apply some false lashes, and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, I've applied my eyeliner, my false lashes and everything. I mean, I totally screwed up the eyeliner on this eye, but well, we are just going to ignore it as usual. Okay, so I'm just going to take my Mikasa F200 brush, which is a stippling brush like this, and I'm going to remove all the excess powder that we put under our eyes. I mean, even though in this look I just like literally used like 2 eyeshadows, it was rough. I'm not gonna lie, it was rough. So yeah, once I've removed that excess powder, next we are going to quickly move on to the bronzing part. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe brush and I'm gonna take my Michelin bronzer and I'm gonna bronze up my skin. Guys, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Pro highlighting palette to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone. I mean, I do feel like that image did have certain gold, rose gold sort of background. So I think I'm gonna combine like these 2 shades, which is the gold and the rose gold one, and then we'll see how that looks. So I'm just going to taking that on my Mikasa Technique brush as well. So just like 1 2 1 2 like this, and then I am going to highlight my inner corners. I use the same combination to highlight my skin as well. So I'm just taking my highlighting brush and I'm just running across those 2 shades. This is definitely a very intense sort of a highlight shade. It definitely has those glitters that you can see in this, but I don't give a fuck. So I'm taking the Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss in the shade The American Girl, which is this dark brown shade, because that image did have like a lot of browns in it. So I wanted to incorporate a dark brown lipstick. So yeah, let's see how this looks. This is definitely an intense brown shade, guys. So yeah guys, this is the finished makeup look. I again combined these 2 liquid lipsticks, guys. This is the American Girl and the Big Chill. So these are the two liquid lipsticks that I use. Not liquid lipsticks, these are like long lasting lip glosses. So this is what I used. So yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. This was my take or my inspiration from that image. And yeah, the eye looks so different, guys. I'm not gonna lie, like the yellow one and the transition shade and all that. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but yeah. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what you thought of this video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.